Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate statistical analysis with SPSS step by step clearly. To begin automating statistical analysis with SPSS, ensure you have the software installed on your computer. Open SPSS and load your dataset by navigating to File, then Open, and selecting your data file. Once your data is loaded, familiarize yourself with the variables in the data view. Next, switch to the syntax editor by going to File and selecting New, then Syntax. In the syntax editor, you can start writing commands to automate your analysis. For descriptive statistics, use the following command: descriptives variables equals your underscore variable underscore list. Replace your underscore variable underscore list with the actual names of the variables you wish to analyze. To run the syntax, highlight the command and click on the green arrow or press Ctrl+R. If you need to conduct an independent samples t-test, type t-test groups equals group underscore variable. Make sure to replace group underscore variable and your underscore dependent underscore variable with your specific variables. To execute the t-test, highlight the command and run it just like the previous command. For a regression analysis, type regression / missing listwise / dependent equals your underscore dependent underscore variable / method equals enter your underscore independent underscore variables. Ensure that you replace the placeholders with your actual variable names. Once you've scripted the necessary analyses, save your syntax file for future use. You can always edit the syntax file to accommodate additional analyses as your research evolves. To automate further, combine commands by separating them with a period and running the entire block at once. You may also schedule SPSS to run your syntax at specified intervals using the SPSS automation feature. Finally, review the output viewer for results, which will display the analysis outcomes. This structured approach allows for efficient and repeatable statistical analysis in SPSS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.